So it has been 3 days since yung video na yun, and yes, nag-shave na ako kasi hindi ko na kaya. Medyo na masakit na sa bibig, tumatama kasi siya, and yung ibang pasyente nagdadalawang isip, si Doc pa ba to? Parang grabe yung tinanda. So recap nung training last week, naka 5 na workouts ako, 2 days rest, which is dapat isa lang yung rest ko. So, nag-skip ako ng isang workout. It's okay. It's not the end of the world. So, bawi na lang this week. Second week. So far, so good. Maganda yung training. Yung weight has been going down. Currently, I am now 64 kg. 64.5. No low siya para sa akin. So, second week pala ng training. Meron akong, 9 weeks? 9 weeks bago yung 10K sa 50 na goal ko. So, exciting. I-approach ko lang to day by day. Brick by brick.